The front-facing camera is an integral part of the car's advanced safety systems, commonly known as Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS for short. Almost every car manufacturer requires recalibration of the cameras mounted on the windshield. Quality Glass Service provides windshield replacement and recalibration of advanced safety systems in one convenient appointment. More cars are now equipped with advanced safety systems. Nearly all car brands require the recalibration of these systems after replacing a windshield. A change in the camera angle by just 1 degree can significantly impact the camera's viewing area, which may, in turn, affect the functionality of ADAS features in a car. The calibration process tests and adjusts all cameras and sensors in your windshield to ensure they function properly after any replacements. Without proper calibration, your vehicle's ADAS features may not operate correctly, which could result in a crash. The technicians at Quality Glass Service are skilled in ADAS calibration and use a specialized tool called Opti-Aim. Once connected to your car, Opti-Aim starts by aligning your camera. It then works with your car's computer to optimize the camera's alignment and restore it to the manufacturer's specifications. If you need ADAS laser calibration, contact Quality Glass Service. We are here to assist you.
Get high-quality windshield replacement in Mesa with Quality Glass Service.